This device has helped to turn Andrea's life around.
It goes green.
Working as a chartered mechanical engineer for the National Grid, back in 2013 she was in an all-consuming job she enjoyed. But suddenly Andrea was struck down with intense pain after a conference one day.
I had to phone my boss and say, look, I'm really sorry, I'm in agony, I can't do this. I was crying my eyes out, 7 o'clock in the morning, and I couldn't even drive home.
Eventually diagnosed with psoriatic arthritis and then fibromyalgia, Andrea soon found herself on a long list of medications, including opiates, which heavily impacted her body.
A lot of the medication was just making me unbelievably sick. I'd be walking down the road and having to vomit in a bin or wherever. I just couldn't control it. It was really, really, really awful.
Then, at the age of 33, 2 years since her initial diagnosis, she had to stop the work she loved.
That's when it really, really got to me. My mental health just took a massive nosedive. I was severely depressed. I couldn't get off the sofa.
In 2022, she joined a medicinal cannabis study, gathering evidence to see if the drug could one day become more widely available on the NHS. The government-approved trial has been 4 years in the making and is being run by Celadon Pharmaceuticals, based in the West Midlands. Their CEO says the work being done here is a huge learning curve for the country and will hopefully stop people who are desperate for the drug accessing it illegally.
Fast forward 5 to 10 years, it's going to be a different landscape. But I'm trying to change it today. I'm trying to get the people that have got a real terrible quality of life to benefit them today. And it's going to be hard. But having said that, people say that doctors are reluctant, but actually they're not. Because doctors, the ones that we speak to, they know what they're prescribing isn't really working. In fact, they know that we give this today and we know that patient's coming in next week for something else to counteract that. So they're open, they really are open. Having said that, they want to ensure it's correct. It's not the black market stuff, it's regulated correctly. And that's what we can do here.
And the study is showing promising results.
We've seen reduction in opioid levels, but also improvements in sleep as well. So it's really helping their overall quality of life. But it's great to see, and it gives us a real vote of confidence that cannabis-based medicines can work, they can be safe and effective, and we're really looking forward to rolling out this trial further.
Andrea says her life has been transformed in a matter of months.
I'm back to working full-time, which I never thought would be a possibility again, and my pain levels are so much more manageable, and I've managed to come off pretty much all of the opiates.
Ready? Go. Andrea hopes the research she's helping towards will one day be able to stop thousands of others from having their pain prolonged. Annie Olsen, ITV News, Bristol.